Welcome to Kigongona program. I am Gikuyu from NGS. Today we are looking at true spirituality, and I'll start by reading. True spirituality involves a pure science element and outer space radiation. The Creator is one and holy. The Creator manifested through Kigongona. Kigongona contains outer space radiation. Mount Kirinyaga is a powerful Kigongona. Nyahoro black hole radiation falls on rũnyondo njathi peak. Circumambulating Mount Kirinyaga Altar grants Nyahoro radiation. Outer space radiation heals, elevates, and transforms people. Kigongona heritage will be restored in the 21st century. The Creator Abode in Mount Kirinyaga, Kenya, in a spiritual realm. People are created in ethnic communities, tribes. AGikuyu community was the first to be created. Patriarch Gikuyu and Matriarch Mumbi founded AGikuyu. Patriarch Gikuyu was transformed to earth through Mount Kirinyaga. Matriarch Mumbi was created separately with soil. The Creator manifested as Mwenenyaga to AGikuyu. Gikuyu spirituality is the oldest form of spirituality. The Ark of the Covenant is hosted in Mount Kirinyaga Altar. It left Jerusalem during King Solomon's reign. It was temporarily hosted in Aksum, Ethiopia, and arrived in Mount Kirinyaga Altar in 1210 AD. Sacerdotal College of Seers serves Mount Kirinyaga Altar. The chief seer, Mogo Kefiro, leads the Sacerdotal College of Seers. Mount Kirinyaga Altar is protected by Gogi. Learn more through yamombi.com. Kigongona program is restoring Kigongona heritage. Mount Kirinyaga Altar pilgrimage on December 27 every year. Mount Kailash in Tibet, San Francisco Peaks in Arizona, and the Black Stone at Kaaba in Mecca are Kigongona too. Kigongona program is advocating for unified Buddhism and a Tibetan Buddhism, Kora, and return of the Dalai Lama to Tibet. Kigongona program also campaigns for Hajj and unity in Islam. And for me, I will tell you, you need to define and be able to know two things about faith and truth. And I've told you prior about faith and truth. And remember, truth is very important because truth is the foundation of the creation, why we are there. And I'm telling you, there are means to know if it is true. And you need to use Kigongona means. So for me, I speak pure matters. I speak the truth because I'm commissioned to do it. I'm not walking at the ordinary spiritual journey. No, I got captured by the Creator. That's why I'm knowing the Creator in depth. And there is a lot which have happened at Mount Kirinyaga, that mountain, sacred and metaphysical, and not documented. There are also records hidden so that people cannot know that mountain well, even know about the ancient pharaohs, how they used to come to that mountain. People have come to that mountain. Even Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam, also came to that mountain. And I'm telling you, it is not documented because mountain things are not documented to protect even Kigongona from infiltration, because you have evil people. And you can see even the British monarchy wanted to later have that mountain, and even Mount Kenya area. That's why you can see the Batuk is near the mountain. And it's known even to the Creator. Because I'm going to tell you, when you are able to access the higher dimensions, you are able to know the truth. This century, we are the 21st century. We have ancient prophecies which will be fulfilled. Because I'm telling you, even the way you see people are living, some even assume there is no law, but there is even cosmic law, which is also affecting you. Because I'm telling you, there is cause and effect, even consequences of doing things. And you are given an ability of not seeing. It's a deal because you have that ability of not to. But some people, regardless, they do evil because they think the other things they are having, also the titles of the father, they think that they strength there. But I'm telling you, the human alignment does not matter, because human beings are also created, and the Creator is one. There is a oneness of God. The manifestation is what is changing. And for people to be created in communities, Agikuyu are the first one. This is the truth. And you can't change the truth. Even the truth does not require believing, because even there are pre-existing truth. Like when you go to the fire and put your hand, you will get burned. So even believing you will not, it won't affect, because I'm telling you, we have the truth which is existing. So even for the truth of God, their abode is Mount Kirinyaga, and there are a lot of told about that mountain. Even that's why you see even people, even the Hollywood, let me tell you, acting, even stealing, let me tell you, Kigongona things, let me tell you, and even no, it's unfortunate, let me tell you, and you saw the consequences of doing it, because I'm telling you, there is cause and effect. When you do evil, there will be consequences of doing that evil. It won't matter if people are knowing. What will matter is the truth, because now creation is pure. Even when people disregard this, because it's just of their sinning and evil and activities which are harming the creation. But then evil regimes and unclean people will be terminated. And for us, I'm telling you, even when China embraced this about the Tibet, as people, you should remember there is higher strength which is power in you, because you even choose to be in the world. Even the other things, the way you know them humanly, they are also, when you access the things through other dimensions, you are able now to know them deeper and know them well. So even even having the pilgrimage, the core of the Mount Kailash, because I'm telling you, Mount Kailash is also a Kigongona. Mount Kirinyaga is metaphysical. There is a place you can use to go down the route to China without that space all time, and you will be in China, because I'm telling you, there is a lot. And when you usually perform the call of the Mount Kailash, you have the Lake Manasarova, let me tell you, they go and perform even the holy bath, because I'm telling you, there is a lot. And China can also benefit a lot. Even this can be even boost. I'm telling you, you have to tie yourself to the truth. What matters is the truth, because when the more you align to more truth, the more you grow. Because I'm telling you, success is not at a point, because you need all. So even those people who say there is climate problems, there are no such problems, because you don't just need one thing. You just, it's unfortunate. You develop by aligning. And let me tell you, there are the things, the atomic things you can touch. The strength is not there. Even when you are doing things, it's about enablement. It's because you are enabled. Right now, this century, people you discover, they are doing things because of being enabled. And I've told you clearly, the enabler abode in Mount Kirinyaga, in a spiritual realm, another dimension, because we have other dimensions. Even when you die, you go to other dimensions. That's when you discover. There are people who are so evil and don't know even what happens to them after death. Even perhaps they are not interested. But let me tell you, they will be terminated, because it doesn't matter if you know what matters is the truth. Let me tell you, and now the truth will be restored. The truth is having gog. You can lie, people take advantage because you can be able to lie to people, but it doesn't mean you can always do that. When people now get transformed, they have the space radiation. Even they don't have ordinary aura. The spirit is strengthened. The soul, I'm telling you now, even they are emitting radiation. So now there will be even metaphysical things, and they will start now altering nature and altering things. Because I'm telling you, the way you see things and things are, is you are assuming from one dimension. When you have access to the other dimensions, let me tell you, now know the creation better. And you don't do this by learning, you do by aligning. Everyone in the creation had an ethnic tribe, and you need to embrace that, because that is your original vibration. Even the China, even the Han will also benefit from this, because I'm telling you, you should embrace unity in diversity. It is not about dominance, no. It's about unity. Appreciate, because the same God who have enabled people in one creator, God is everywhere, even other dimensions, even the life of the spirits. We have even angelic lives. I'm telling you, benefit a lot when you live a good life. No sinning. Sinning is abominable. Thank you very much.